In this tutorial, we will cover the Pages panel used for creating products and categories. The basic idea is that a category can hold up multiple products, and a product can be under multiple categories, such that categories are collections of products, where products are the simplest units of information displayed through modules. Let's start by examining the categories section. In the first subpanel under categories, we observe the details of the root category, which represents the entire project's purview. Under that, we see the subcategories, which denote the categories created directly under the root category, which can be thought of as its children categories. Lastly, we observe the descendant categories, which refer to all the categories created under the root category, which can be thought of as all of its descendant categories. Just to inspect another category, when we open it up, we see a similar interface to the root categories, except the subcategories and descendant categories are now with respect to the selected category instead of the root. For every subpanel under the categories, we have information like logo, indicating whether it has a logo, publish, indicating whether it's published, status, indicating its visibility, modified at, indicating last updated time, and actions, where the pen button edits the category and the globe button opens the categories page. Moving on to the products, we observe that it has a similar interface with logo, status, modified at, and the actions options. Going into editing a product, we observe an interface similar to the My App panel, and it has an additional field of select categories where we can mention the categories we want the product to be displayed under. At the top, we also have a toggle button of featured instead of searchable, which is used to specify whether the selected product is to be featured on the app and the website. The rest of the subpanels, as we see, are completely analogous to the My App panels and follow the same basic principles. With that explained, it would be a good idea to examine what all features we have at our disposal as per our current plan use. So let's go on to the Accounts panel. Like, subscribe, and share the video if you found this helpful. Leave a comment below if you have any queries, or send an inquiry to hello@virtubox.io.